We just heard from Taylor Cole, Acting Chief Technology Officer at NAVSEA Corona. Here's what he had to say.
We have some of our nice projects here that we brought around with us. We have Cycloptic that's over here in a corner. This has been a 3-year nice project. What's the so what of something that is basically quadcopter-based platform that could fly off of a ship, hover over an area, and let you know within centimeter accuracy where your gunfire is landing? Let's think big on this for a second. If you're playing in a live virtual constructive environment and the ship is the only real thing and everything else is in a virtual or constructive environment, this quadcopter can fly out in the real space to the places where the virtual and constructive ships exist in fake world. And then as that real ship fires against a virtual ship, it can tell you within a centimeter accuracy how accurate you are in seeing that. Why is a 50 cal machine gun with augmented reality important? If you're also in a live virtual constructive environment, most people don't realize the time differences of delay of data from those 3 different environments are completely different. When you've got a augmented reality headset on, firing a real gun towards a target that's in another hallway that's wearing a tracking system, you have all 3 of those systems existing. We're using this 50 cal machine gun while partnering with UCLA and UCR to try to figure out how to do the prediction that's required in order to make the real live data that's coming in at the rate of the virtual and constructive data. It's a really, really hard problem. And if you get some of your best mathematicians on this, you'll realize really fast it's a really hard problem. So as much as we talk about LVC being the answer for the Navy, we have to solve some of these littler problems in our R&D pieces to be able to solve the much bigger problems for the Navy. With that all being said, our overall strategic goal of our base is to really become the holder of big data. And when we say that, what does big data mean? Big data is less about us storing all the data and controlling it, and it's more about us going into the cloud and figuring out how we can manipulate the data in ways that other people can use it. That's what we're trying to do. That's what the future of our base looks like. Across the CTOs, we have these R&D projects everywhere. And I really do believe we are on the cutting edge of what the Navy can be doing and making not only our warfighters safer, but making our Navy more incredibly awesome when they're out there fighting what they do day in and day out.